How's it going, guys? I figured there's not a lot of videos on like the installation and stuff on the Lowrange Offroad Alternator, the GM Alternator conversion kit for these trackers. You see, this is my daughter's 96 Geo tracker, and they have like a little 50, 40, 48 amp or something like that spindly ass alternator, which is barely enough to run the fuel injection, the headlights, the AC unit. Whenever all that crap's on, man, it barely has enough juice to charge the battery. So I figured I would show y'all. The kit comes with a new bracket, and you can order it with the alternator. It comes with the 100 amp alternator. It's like a 98 amp alternator or something. But I'll show you guys. All you do is, there's normally a charcoal canister. If you look right here, there's normally right here where this bracket is, right here, where there's two little bolts sticking out. There's normally a big charcoal canister right here with the hose on the bottom of it. And that's actually the hose that goes to the bottom of the charcoal canister. Well, I took that crap off because it's emission stuff, so it's not like it's gonna hurt anything to pull that crap off. Because that shit's in the way anyways. And as you can see, there's the new alternator. Well, it comes with the bracket. I don't know if you can see the bracket down there. The bracket says it's a low range. Here's what you do is you go ahead and move that charcoal canister out of the way. I wish I would have made this video while I was doing this, but it's an afterthought. What you do is, there's a bracket that goes right here, hooks off the end of this manifold or whatever, and then it hooks to, that's the original bracket where this hole is. You pull that off, you pull this tensioner off. You don't have to undo you just gotta loosen it to where you can slide this out of the way. Go ahead and pull the alternator off, and then there's a bracket down there on the bottom, and there's two bolts that go in this way, and then there's a bolt that sticks out this way with a nut on it. So you pull these two bolts, take that nut off, and the bracket slides off the front. Now the new bracket goes back on the same way. It comes with new stainless steel hardware. And once you do that, it comes with a V. I ordered mine with a V belt because I'm stupid, and I ended up having to go get a new belt because it ended up being longer. And the new belt, the belt that was on there was a 32 1/4, and I got a 33-inch belt, and it was plenty long. As you can see, it was almost at the very end of the adjustment, so I almost ran out of adjustment, but 33 inches seemed to be the right size of belt. And then to add to this thing, I ordered the damn stock ground wires and hot wires are some like 8 gauge wire. So I went ahead and ordered number 2, and as you can see, I added the number 2 for the charge cable right here. It says 2 gauge. New battery terminals, and then I ended up doing the ground. The ground cable goes back, and I suggest, if you're doing all that stuff, to go ahead and do the big 3. If you don't know what the big 3 is, it's upgrading your charging cable, upgrading the ground cable for the motor, and upgrading the ground cable for the body, chassis ground. Anyways, guys, that's just the gist of what I did and what comes in the kit and everything. It's charging good, way better than the stock crappy 40 amps. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. I'll see you in the next video.